I love trails like this. I think we should go that way. Brandon thinks we should go this way. So we maybe almost made an oopsie.
We left home to travel the world and brought work with us. Follow the journey as we immerse ourselves in cultures around the globe and inspire others to do the same.
We're Brandon and Erin. Subscribe and stay tuned. Since we arrived in Chile, how do we get out of here? We have been looking forward to this moment. From finding ourselves amongst political protests in Santiago, getting out of the city in Puerto Varas, renting a car in Puerto Montt,
We really don't like Puerto Montt.
to 3 ferries and many miles of driving later, we have our first up-close and personal view of Patagonia.
What are we going to see, Erin?
A waterfall! One of my favorite things.
What did TLC tell us not to do?
We don't chase them, we just hike to them. Such a cool trail. It has all these like wooden little logs that you step on. This staircase looks a little treacherous because it's missing some steps, but this is why I like hiking. I love trails like this. So we're heading on to the lower falls. We have to go down before we go back up. This bit is steep, so hold on. This is so cool.
It's so pretty. This was such a cool hike.
So cool. We're not even done. This is just the lower falls.
Is it?
Yeah.
That looks pretty high to me.
We get to go up another one.
I don't know.
Yeah. I love the fact that there's 2 waterfalls. One is shooting out and the other one is kind of sliding down the rock. It just makes for a cool dynamic. Pretty ice cold. Then we saw this. It's ginormous, it's so powerful. We're getting like rained on basically from being this far away. It is magnificent. Now for the way down. We've come to a crossroads. I think we should go that way. Brandon thinks we should go this way.
The way we went was Cascadas Altas. We came up that way. So this is some other way that we don't know what it is. And also, says return to the camping, which is where we need to go.
Arrow is going up there. We're not going up there. We just came from there for camping.
I don't know. We know that this way is to camping. Erin's ridiculous.
No.
Yes.
No. Whatever, we're just gonna do it, Brandon, thanks. And there's an arrow going this way. So we're gonna go my way because now Brandon's mad that I say, we always say what Brandon says.
Already a bad sign.
Good. Nobody has walked this way in a long time. I don't know. Let's just go your way. We had an awesome time last night. Drank a couple bottles of wine with some new friends, Juliet and Jono. And I think we should start taking down the tent. What do you think?
I think so. It's a beautiful spot though.
It's so beautiful. This campsite's awesome. This was our spot for the night. Beautiful view. It's really cozy.
We're doing the volcano Chaitén hike, which is a volcano that erupted in 2008, and apparently it's still smoldering. So when we get to the top, hopefully we'll see some smoke coming from it. It should take about 3 hours. I think it's a little challenging. It's got like an elevation gain of 3,000 meters?
No.
I think that's what they said. That would be insane. No, I sure hope not.
I think it was 600.
600. 600 sounds better. So all of a sudden, we came out of the woods and we were met with this crazy landscape. I don't know what happened to these trees, if it's from the eruption of the volcano. They look dead or petrified or something.
Whoa, what's up there?
That's the volcano, oh my gosh. We're gonna be going up there.
So we maybe almost made an oopsie. We continued on this path and it doesn't lead anywhere. So we had to backtrack, cross the river, and now we found a sign. Back on track.
So we haven't hiked properly in a while, and this hike is kicking our butt already, but it's good. We need to get back in shape, back in hiking shape, because pretty soon we'll be doing the W at Torres del Paine, so gotta get back in shape.
1002, 1003.
She's nuts. Fatigue is really set in. We're pretty tired and definitely didn't drink enough water this morning, and we don't have enough water with us, but I hear voices, so hopefully we're right by the top and we'll get there in just a few more steps. It's definitely not the top, but I kind of wish it was. At this point though, we've come so far, we just need to make it to the top, but oh, water would be nice.
I don't know if I'm out of shape or this trek is just hard. We made it to the top and it's so cool. You can see the smoke coming up. There's a couple different lakes. It's unlike anything we've ever seen.
This hike was really difficult. Honestly, at times I thought we were going to turn back. We did not bring enough water, which was not good. You can just see the power of the volcano with the steam coming up. I've never seen that out of an active volcano.
This kind of looks like a volcano that you would draw, with the smoke coming out, kind of a reddish color. It's really cool. We're hanging out here for a little while and then we're trekking back down. I'm hoping that the way down is way easier than up.
Well done, Aaron. Aaron was right.
This is literally like 5-star camping.
What are you excited about?
Do something?
What?
Do something weird.
Huh?
Weird!
It's weird. Why?
I was like, do something weird.
Oh no, I'm good.